What up guys, it's your boy Tips, back again with another video. Today we're doing an oil change on a BMW 650 E.
Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
No one else has done this, so like, I guess I'm the first to take all this. Follow me under my work table. First lift the car up. You can work under. Then you gotta access drain plug. Don't take this off right away, because it doesn't work. You're not stupid fuck. You're gonna film me take this out. So fuck. Look at my camera all dirty, eh? Get the bucket. Hold the bucket. Home Depot sponsoring this.
Thanks, Home Depot.
So you get all your stuff, all your BMW stuff. I think you guys are done. Oh, this shit smells like liquid. Make sure you tighten down the drain plug before you remove the filter. That way, it will be easier for you to determine any leaks. Give it a quick wipe and see if anything leaks out.
No leaks.
Okay, now you put the 24 in there. Hopefully it fits. Hold on, hold the bucket.
Dangerous game we play. You could just hear it.
Just chilling in my office.
Yeah. Lounging.
In the office chair with my shorts on.
Fucking I just.
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
Get my phone. I don't know why this thing's white, but whatever. Look at the blood. Grease it up. No,
Fastest way to start an oil leak.
well, yeah, dipping in oil.
Yeah.
Started before it.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so when it comes to putting the filter in, you're not supposed to put the filter in the cap. What you're supposed to do is put the filter in first, then the cap. Make sure you do this part by hand. You don't want to do anything to damage your filter housing. After you secure it all the way down, you grab the 24 and you give it a couple more tugs to make sure that it is nice and secured. Now it's time to add some oil. So it says to add 8 liters of oil. Well, I like to put 7.5. Check it, then add more if needed. Alright guys, there you go. That's how you do an oil change on a BMW 650i. Quite easy, I know. It's your boy Tips and Gary, and I'm out.